I'm Martin Reeves, I work for the Grasslands Trust and I'm a Community Grasslands Project Officer for them. Here up at Hocombe Mead is an ideal place. It's a wonderful ancient meadow and woodlands. There are ways that we can manage the meadow. Traditionally we graze it. This year we have 3 Galloway cattle. My role is about giving people the opportunity to come and work as volunteers for conservation, teddy bears picnics and forest school activities for the families and the youngsters. And of course we do wildlife walks for the experts, the butterfly walks. Here we have one of the hazel whips that was planted in the autumn just gone. As you can see, it's making good growth. We planted several of these in this newly coppiced piece of woodland here because it was quite sparse, and of course once we've cut it down it did show up the holes where there weren't any coppice stalls around. Here at Hocombe Mead we coppice, and we coppice it really for the biodiversity aspect, and instead of selling on the material, we use it for and provide a dead hedge around the outside.
This is purple loosestrife, and the meadow is absolutely full of it. It loves the damp conditions that we've got here. We've got great willow herb, and that's a hairy stemmed plant, and you can tell the difference between that and the rosebane willow herb by looking at the hairs on the stalk of it. And the white plant over here is meadow sweet. It's dying back a bit now, but the meadow's been awash with it